Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply change vehicle on your Just Eat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. For the matter, all you have to do is first of all access a particular careers-help.just-e.co.uk on your browser, aka career help of Just Eat. Once you have done so, it will simply load you this support of Just Eat, where you're gonna simply go ahead, type in change a vehicle, and simply search it up, and this will simply take out all of the categories where you can tap on this account on over here. And here in this accounts category, you will be able to find this option of change your vehicle information or change your vehicle preference change. Once you have tapped on this, here you will be able to find this kind of information regarding vehicle preference change, bike to car. In order to change your account type from bicycle to vehicle, we require to follow the information as it has asked. Valid vehicle insurance is needed, a photo, full driving license is needed. You have to make sure that you have all of these documents that you can provide them for them to change your vehicle preference. Other thing that I would suggest to you to go back and tap on this changing your vehicle information on top, and here in this section you're gonna find the option of careers@justeat.co.uk, which is their official email. Go ahead, choose the email option here. First of all, get logged in with your account's information and simply write them an email with including your account's information and how you would like your courier vehicle to change to some other vehicle preference of yours. Simply type it in and send them the email. Make sure to do it again and again so your request can be on top and they can check out your request first and approve it. Once you are done the further step, they will simply let you know, and you can simply follow it along and you will be done. That is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.